Let's read and write. I love pizza. I love pizza. I love football. I love football. I love IT. Let's write down. I, capital I, big I. Pause the video and write down. Now let's write down T, big T, capital T, like IT. Please, please. ID, ID. ID, please. Let's write down big D or capital D. Like in ID. He, she, it. He, she, it. We say it about animals and things, like a thing, a toy. It's a toy. An animal, a dog. It's an animal. We say he and she about people. A boy, he is a boy. A girl, she is a girl. I love it. I love it. Cooking, I love it. Football, I love it. Drawing, I love it. Do you love football? Do you love pizza? Do you love IT? Yes, I love football. I love pizza. I love IT. I did it. Dad did it. Let's write down small letters I, T, D. Small I and small t. Lowercase d, small d. I, T, like in it. It's a ball. It's a toy. D, like did. I did it. Listen and repeat. To it. did. Dad. I did it. Dad did it. I did it. I T I D it did. I love it. I did it. You try. I T D I T D. What's that? Number 4. I. Number 5. ID. What's that? Number 6. IT. It. I love it. I did it. Dad did it. Homework. Color all the pictures. Learn new words and letters. See you. Bye.